everyone!
Hello everybody!
So today we're going to be making red chili. It's a red chili sauce from the dried pod, and we're going to be making slow-cooked pinto beans with Chicos. Mom, this recipe takes 2 days.
It does. It takes a long time. But it's been in my family for ages and ages.
Right. Your dad's from New Mexico.
Yes.
And how many generations of Coloradoans are you?
We're 9 generations of Coloradoans.
Isn't that amazing? Well, this dish is very popular in my family. People get around and they get together on holidays and they make it. So it's nice to have a document of this dish for all my family members too, in case you guys want to watch it. And let's get started. The cuisine of New Mexico is unique in that it is a blend of Spanish and native Pueblo populations. New Mexicans are very proud of the chilies that are grown there, and the 2 saucy dishes made from them, red chili and green chili. My cousins in New Mexico disdainfully call any other kind of chili, chili with an I. Red chili is simply the fully ripened green chili pepper. Red chilies are dried on ristras, which are elaborate bundles left out in the sun. The flavors vary from mild to very spicy, but always robust and delicious. Typically eaten with corn tortillas and slow-cooked pinto beans, sometimes with bits of sun-dried corn called Chicos. They're big on sun-drying things in the Southwest, I guess because it's sunny and dry. You can typically find packages of dried red chili in the Latin section of your supermarket, or online from retailers in New Mexico.
Okay, this is medium hot chili from New Mexico. Take off the stem, rip open the pod, and shake the seeds out.
So is this something you do listening to a book on tape?
Yeah, I like to listen to WLRN, The Moth. You know, people tell about their lives. That's interesting, I think. Oh, Jesus! You stepped on her toe?
I don't know what I stepped on.
Thing.
I stepped on the kitty's tail. Kitty! I'm sorry. Will you forgive me, darling? Will you forgive me? Come here. Oh, sorry.
So a day in advance, you soak the beans overnight in water. Put the chili pods in 6 cups of water in a large pot. We have to steam the chili to make it soft, to put in the blender, which makes the chili sauce. Simmer it until the pods get soft and very red.
In the meantime, chop 8 or 9 cloves of garlic and cut the pork into 1-inch cubes.
It's done now. It needs to go in the blender. Once the chili is very soft and red, use the blender or larger food processor to blend until smooth. You do not want to have any larger flakes of the chili in there. To ensure a smooth chili, you can strain it.
Brown the garlic and then the pork in olive oil until it's almost fully cooked.
Put the smooth chili and the pork back into the pot and simmer for 20 or 30 minutes.
Grab the beans you soaked overnight, drain them, rinse them, and put them in the slow cooker with water. You could put ham hocks in there. We have. You smoked ham hocks give it a nice flavor. But since we already have pork in the chili, we're just going to have this the way it is, and it's delicious the way it is. Chicos!
Yeah, I'm going to put the Chico here.
I can't believe I almost forgot my favorite part, the Chicos. I don't have the original packaging. I keep them in a jar like this.
That's enough.
They give the beans a wonderful extra little flavor and like a little chewy bite that you get every now and again. It's almost like the marshmallows and Lucky Charms. It's like a fun little thing that it's in there.
Put the power on.
Power on 6 hours?
Yeah. It's good. Okay, the chili is done, and it's so yummy. I'm going to wait for it to cool, and then I'll put it in the fridge. And tomorrow the beans will be done.
So, to accompany our meal, we're gonna have a watermelon margarita. I just put one small watermelon into the blender, and then I added tequila and triple sec and just a splash of fresh squeezed lime juice to cut the sweetness. Everything came out great, and we put the chili into warmed corn tortillas sprinkled with shredded cheddar.
Well, this is absolutely delicious.
It's amazing. Because this is not something you can get in a restaurant.
No.
And it's really delicious.
It's delicious.
How do you like your margarita, Mom?
This is the first watermelon margarita I've ever had, but it's delicious.
Cheers.
It's not the first one you've had tonight.
No.